Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. And the first one what we can do is to check software version. Open the application and click on your earbuds here. Then go to the settings. And right here we have update firmware. Click on it and it will check for update. I have the last version. If you haven't, just install a new one and it can fix your problem. If it doesn't, also we can place these earbuds to the charging case. Now close the case and wait about 15 seconds. The battery level of the earbuds in the charging case will update and it can fix your problem. So after 15 seconds, just open the charging case, remove your earbuds and check is it fixed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!